this is where it kind of starts, you know what I'm saying? Everybody's kind of crowded around the car.
Okay, so what are people looking for when they look in the hood?
Dude, don't touch my shit, dude. We're not gonna run like the NPC. We're gonna walk like we got some damn sense and we got some home training. Welcome to your first car meet, man. It's POV, man. We finna get out this car meet. We had ruined ATL meet. But yeah, let's do it. We got the crew with us, you know what I'm saying? So we got Big Mads behind us. Show Big Mads. We got Majesty clean for the first time. This is the first time we ever been early to a meet. Look around. Let's take a look around. You know what I'm saying? The meet kind of early right now. You know what I'm saying? But we in there bit. We gonna slide y'all back when they get a little deep and we walk around and shit. We gonna talk about a little car, do a little car shit. See how what y'all should be doing, what y'all shouldn't be doing. What car you finna get, what car you shouldn't get. You better get you up. If I get mine, I'm gonna tell the studio for you. Huh?
To be honest, I'm ready.
I'm that one. Alright, so you got your car meet for the first time, you know what I'm saying? What you wanna do is you wanna walk around, you wanna see what kind of cars out here, you know what I'm saying? Walk around, we got a Focus ST, I hope it's a ST. We got an old school Ford Mustang, you know what I'm saying? GTI, Honda Civic SI, you know what I'm saying? Ford Focus ST. So basically what you want to do is you just want to walk around, you know what I'm saying? Got your little crew like I got behind me, you know what I'm saying? And my boys, we all rolled in together, you know what I'm saying? Y'all just want to walk around, you want to talk about cars. And basically do at a car meet. Check out cars, you know what I'm saying? That boy got a welded dip. Bro, he been trying to park this whole time. I'm telling y'all, he didn't try to park 7 times today. What y'all say to people, Nick?
I have no clue what that is. They be trying to get me to run against him.
Bro.
This good car.
Got a clean, look at this, got a clean hatch.
He got a baby, bro.
And a kid.
Taxes are crazy. She used all that tax money towards the car.
Yeah, 100%.
I'd have a kid for him so I can get some better taxes.
Nick, stop it. How your cat doing, Nick?
Good, my cat's good. Mr. Pickles, Mrs. Pickles now.
What?
I don't even know the gender.
Oh my gosh. Look behind you out this, what is this? I don't even know what this is. Sheesh. We got Dominic Toretto.
This is bike fast.
You talking about it?
I don't know.
That's what you was talking about?
Nah, that's a 300. Yeah, he's talking about a Chevy SS. You talking about a Chevy SS?
Chevy
You need to
SS.
get that, bro.
It looks just like a Malibu or some shit.
Yeah.
Sleepers.
But they got a Camaro engine.
You got a vent motor in it?
Yeah.
LS3.
Oh, you want to race now, Nick? Crazy.
Oh, they was trying to send me to Tennessee to race for 15 bands.
15
Why you
bands.
didn't do it?
I have no tool.
Crazy ass, his shit slow.
How much you got to put in?
Slow as shit.
7.5.
Shit. Checking out your car,
Nah,
Nick.
I can't get a dyno.
Nick, your car can be in the edit, Nick.
All the dynos are fucking taken. I guess my boost kicks in faster than his though.
Good little boxer engine.
I like how they sound.
Yeah, I love the way the boxer engine sound, man. Got a clean little 350Z Nismo coming through.
No, she had a 228.
You know what I'm saying? Clean as hell, get you one. Car Meet Pov, bro. You just walk around, check out the cars. You got the goddamn 350Z right here. You got your little G35 right here. Y'all ain't know G35. That's 2007. Nah, so 2008 they made a G35.
Oh, you
But yeah, it's got Honda Civic SI. He's got a 5 to start up. He might start revving that shit because we're at a car meet, and that's what they do. You got a tuner right here. You know what I'm saying? He's doing what?
Bro, sometimes I just want a stage car so I can just go to
That's
the
what I
shows.
do. That's what I'm
Just a
gonna
little
do.
Civic.
That's what I'm gonna do next. All right, we got goddamn.
Damn.
Sorry.
What you wanna do, Nick? Get your stance built.
No. Oh, they 10 and 1.
Hey, run up.
What they finna do?
That guy.
Sheesh. God damn.
Okay, so what are people looking for when they look in the hood?
You look for turbo. First thing you do, you look for the turbo.
Hood exit.
This is different. So you got hood. That's his wastegate.
One of them is his wastegate, one of them is his blower.
So right here, you know what I'm saying? Usually people got exhaust going out the back, you know, all the way in the back of the lag. But goddamn, his shooting right out the hood. That's what you look for, really.
It's clean.
And look, you look for carbon fiber. This is carbon fiber. This is little things you look for, you know what I'm saying? Look how clean the engine bay is.
Okay. Yeah, tell him.
I got you.
It's probably hot.
Are you crazy? I already felt the heat, hot heat.
It's hot.
Yeah, it's clean little headers. These are headers right here.
You're hot.
So you got the engine right here. This the engine. You got headers right here. Turbo right here. Don't get this confused with alternator, please. Alternator down here. That's the alternator.
wife. Sorry.
That's what
I ain't used to that.
It's his wife. Not his girlfriend.
You already said.
I don't know, bugs.
He's scraping.
Yeah, look at this.
Nah, he's bad.
He's bad. So basically,
People drive like this.
alright, look, you see how low this car is. You got you can't even stick your finger under there, bro. So we look at when we at Car Meet, you look at bad cars. If you see a car this low to the ground, 9 times out of 10, it's not static. It's bad. It's bags. So if y'all know what bags is, you know what I'm saying? You can actually lift your car and lower your car because your coils are sitting on bags. It's bags instead of coils, you know what I'm saying? So.
That ain't no heat, bro.
So what?
That wasn't no heat.
What you mean?
That was definitely a sheet.
What you talking?
That was definitely
Oh,
a sheet.
snap. Crazy. Alright, so we back. It done got dark. It done got, what time is it? It about 8:44. It ain't really lit yet. But we got a Hellcat behind us.
Always the beam.
I own a cat.
Yeah, you right.
You do own a cat.
Weak ass cat in the bed.
You be touching it all the time.
Whoa,
You be,
what are we talking? Are we talking about a
you
cat?
be molesting my cat.
Watch
Whoa.
out. Watch out.
What you gotta say to us?
Bro, he's capping, bro. Don't
You be
listen to
picking it
him,
up
bro.
and kissing it on the lips.
He's lying like
You got the
him.
bites?
He
You
had
got
a
the bites?
condom- He had a condom in the cat litter box the other day.
Nice.
Ah.
The CTSP, you got CTSP over here, you know what I'm saying? G37 coupe over here, you know what I'm saying?
You are now?
Fuck no, I just work for the government. Don't tell nobody that.
Oh!
We got him. We got him. We got him. We got him.
There ain't no fed.
We got him, bro.
Your shit don't sound like that. Don't try to look.
They do. All BMW sound the same.
It really do.
Midnight, if you're watching this, I want all the smoke, okay?
We in Duluth right now. We got turbo noise and shit. Oh, waterfall. Got that G35 motherfucker. We got the bites coming through. Got the big. You want to get a shot? We got the big bites coming through.
Damn, my heart's skipping beats, bro.
Yeah.
My soul just vibrated.
Alright, y'all. It's about midway to meet. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna walk around. We're gonna try to get some interviews in a bit.
I could have fallen in.
Nick,
No, bro.
what the? You see Nick?
Let me
Nick
see.
said he can swim.
No, this
Let me
nigga.
see.
Nick,
That's me. In the overall.
no, it's not, bro. Ain't nothing going on for real. Everybody's really parking and chilling. I'm gonna interview who got this this C8 Corvette. I'm gonna come back. So we got the wide body cat. I want this Cobra though. See, y'all want the wide body cat Saskatchewan. I want a Mustang. I want this right here, this Cobra. Oh shit. Motherfucker Pro Charge. That bitch supercharged. Nick, this is right here.
Idiot kid, he was fucking pro
Wait, I
charge.
get the boy in China.
Okay. How can you tell if a car is supercharged?
It's a big ass supercharger right here.
Don't be sarcastic, nigga.
No, I'm being for real.
Wait.
And it say
This shit ever
supercharged
get
on
dirty
it.
for real, like.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you just spray it out.
Oh, hey, I thought
You just
had
kind of
to
check.
change that shit.
You check anything that look like a turbo. Most superchargers and pro chargers kind of look like this.
my girlfriend mad,
Difference between the supercharger is like the supercharger connect to a belt instead of air. Like turbos connect straight to the air. Turbos are air. The superchargers like connect to the belt.
I would beat our ass.
So it's constant power. You ain't gotta worry about turbo lag and stuff like that. Did y'all get that? Did you get that? All right, y'all. So we back. It's getting deeper into the meet. It done started with the Shenanigans. We got folks with a hood dump. Revving the car, you know what I'm saying? The Hellcat Durango's pulled up. Got GS300 trying to rev, you know what I'm saying? I guess we're going over here, come on. Alright, so this is where it kind of starts, you know what I'm saying? Everybody's kind of crowded around the car. And then this is kind of how it starts, you know what I'm saying? Oh, they shut it down. They shut, get everybody. He told him to stop. They shut it down. I let it. Oh, shit.
Don't put you on your car, man.
You said what?
Don't put you on your car, man.
Man, I might. But I ain't. If I do that, it's gonna be till like next year.
This is what what's his name got? Richie. That's Richie's setup.
Oh, for real? Crazy. Oh, that's where he got his in that red one?
Nah, the blue one.
Oh. That's insane.
Let me back away before he bites.
Yeah, I ain't gonna. Dude, bro, dude, don't touch my shit, dude. His interview. He got to smoke. I don't know him. Do his interview. Oh, this shit crazy. That's insane.
That shit was hot.
That was hot. No, you can feel the heat. Bro, you can literally feel the heat, bro.
Come on.
Got a spark plug in shit.
Yeah, I want to do that now.
That was insane. They're the biggest flames I ever seen, bro. It's 12 noon.
I need those.
God damn. Fuck. Oh, fuck no. That shit stank, boy. Bro, he literally pulled up and left.
He came here just to do that and leave?
I would too, to be honest.
Get caught up.
I'm not gonna lie, I would too. If my flames were that big.
5-0 dead day. On the drag strip. 5-0 dead. And Q50 dead.
Crazy. I wouldn't want my car that loud. 10, I'll pop the perks.
You wanna buy a perk? Stop it.
Perks, I was buying perks over here.
Bro, I know people who sell perks. They're right here.
Are they pointing at you? Do they know you?
Oh,
I don't know.
I think so. They can speak. Oh, let's go. Come on. I'm not running either. What do I look like? Alright, y'all. So as you can see, we're not gonna run like the NPC. We're gonna walk like we got some damn sense and we got some home training in this bitch. Alright, come on. I don't know who's been playing. Who's been playing? Who brought their grandparents? Look at the grandparents right here behind us. Oh, we got another contender. Come on. Keep on coming. Good job. Got folks in the back of this. What's up? Yes, sir. Alright. Where my people's at? Alright. My people's over here. As y'all can see, we got Lana though. We got Nick, his single turbo 335, E92. Got single turbo going on right here. Y'all know Nick. You know what I'm saying? We got Big Nick and his Batmobile, you know what I'm saying? What you saying?
That was a good joke. I said, is that a bug trap?
Yes. I got Big Nick. Got my boy Finesse. Finesse in the Civic, you know what I'm saying? Big Finesse in the Civic, you know what I'm saying? We got Big Match.
Wow, who owns this car?
We got Big Match, not the little one. Big Match, you know about this. Big Match. 07 Mustang GT. 07 Mustang GT, 5-speed. We got my boy in the Honda Accord. My boy in the Honda Accord on the coils, 5-speed. I was 6-speed, I don't know. I just 5 or 6-speed, I can't remember. Watch out. I keep coming. We got my boy. Got my boy in the Honda Civic SI, 6-speed. You know what I'm saying? Keep coming. And we got my boy, Jesus, in the Subaru WRX, man. Super clean. Alright, come up to me. I thought I'm gonna do my outro just in case. Alright, y'all, so that's us at the interview. That's us at a car meet. I'm tripping. That's us at a car meet, you know what I'm saying? Let me know, y'all, you know what I'm saying? Want some more videos like this. Cause we out. So, I got you one to get you one. Me and got you one, you better get you one, because if I give me one before I get you one, I'm telling you, got the SC300. I want one of those so bad. All right, y'all, we got it, bit, for real. Do the whole pan out. Cool. All right, y'all, so we got it, bit, for real.
I just wanted to say hey, because I wasn't in the video, but everybody else was. It's okay, I don't need the light. All right. Now you know good and well. I just wanted to say hey, because I'm not in the video, everybody else is. But just know the amazing cinematography is on me.
Yeah, nah, see, hey,